Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Lash Lift Kit is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving those coveted, naturally curled lashes without the daily hassle of mascara or extensions, and this Black Tint version promises to add depth and definition, making your eyes pop with minimal effort. So if you're tired of droopy lashes and want a semi-permanent lift that lasts for weeks, this kit might just be your new holy grail for effortless beauty. Number 5. Godefroy Hair Color Tint Kit. Tired of gray hairs? Achieve complete coverage with this revolutionary hair color solution. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your natural shade. Get a rich, natural black color that looks just like your own hair. This shade is perfect for a timeless and sophisticated look. Keep your color looking fresh between salon visits. This formula provides a long-lasting touch-up for your roots, ensuring a consistently vibrant appearance. No more guesswork or messy mixing. Our pre-measured capsules make application simple and precise, eliminating any product waste. Enjoy professional quality results in the comfort of your own home. Achieve a salon-perfect finish with this easy-to-use kit. This versatile hair color is designed for everyone. Whether you're a man or a woman, you can achieve beautiful, gray-free hair. What we like? This product offers complete gray coverage for a natural black look. Its pre-measured capsules ensure no waste and salon-quality results at home. If you are looking for a reliable root touch-up that is easy to use and cost-effective, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The tint had a cream-like consistency, which made it easy to apply. The provided applicator brush allowed for precise application, enabling me to shape and define my eyebrows effectively. The eyebrow tint offered a good range of color options, and I found a shade that matched my natural brow color perfectly. The pigmentation was rich and intense, providing a noticeable difference in the color of my eyebrows. Once applied, the tint lasted for several days without fading too much. Number 4. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo. Introducing a gentle yet effective cleanser designed for your lashes. It's perfect for both extensions and natural lashes, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Keep your eyelash extensions looking their best with this specially formulated shampoo. It's safe to use, preserving the integrity of your extensions. Effortlessly remove makeup without damaging your delicate eye area. This cleanser acts as a safe makeup remover, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Whether you're a professional lash artist or maintaining your lashes at home, this product is for you. It provides salon-quality care in a convenient size. Achieve a deeper clean with the included brush. It helps to gently exfoliate and cleanse along the lash line for optimal results. With 1.69 fl 50 milliliters, it's the ideal size for your travel bag. Maintain your lash hygiene wherever you go without compromising on quality. What we like? This gentle foaming cleanser is designed for both extensions and natural lashes. It effectively removes makeup without damaging your lashes. If you have eyelash extensions or want a thorough yet safe lash cleanse, this is ideal for maintaining lash health and longevity. What people say? It does an amazing job of thoroughly cleaning my lashes every single time. It completely removes mascara, eyelash glue, eye boogers, and any other buildup without burning or irritating my eyes. The brush helps get deep between the lashes and along the lash line, making sure everything is removed without being too harsh. Because of the brush, I always feel like my lashes are truly clean after using it. The foam is super soft, lightweight, and easy to control. Just a small amount goes a long way. It doesn't sting or irritate my eyes at all, which was my biggest concern. I love how it gently removes oil, makeup residue, and buildup without making my lashes feel dry or brittle. After using it, my lashes feel fresh, fluffy, and like new again. Number 3. Lash Lift and Color Kit. Get ready for beautifully lifted and colored lashes, all from the comfort of your home. This kit provides everything you need for a stunning, long-lasting curl and a natural look. Experience an enhanced formula with upgraded glue for a secure and comfortable application. It ensures your lashes stay perfectly lifted throughout the day. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking curl that opens up your eyes. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty with ease. This kit includes a temporary color solution for both your lashes and brows. Achieve a fuller, more defined look that complements your lift. Everything you need is right here. We've included all the salon-grade tools, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits. This comprehensive kit empowers you to achieve professional results on your own. What we like? Achieve a long-lasting curl and natural look with this at-home lash perm kit. It includes upgraded glue for better hold and all the necessary salon-grade tools. If you desire a professional lash lift effect without leaving your home and are a beginner or professional, this comprehensive kit is for you. What people say. My 20-year-old went first as the guinea pig, and her first eye was much harder for me to complete than her second eye. I got better as the process went along. It's kind of hard to get the glue to stick on the eye pillow pad correctly. That is for sure the hardest part. You can't put too much glue on because it clumps, but if you don't have enough, the lashes won't stick on the eye pad. The smaller the eye pillow pad size you select, the curlier the eyelashes will end up. The process is pretty simple to do on your own, and takes less than an hour, even less, if you're doing both eyes at the same time. The dye works super well and lasts a long time. The curl looks so natural and beautiful, and so far has lasted 2 weeks. Number 2. PERMANIA Lash Lift with Black Color Kit. Introducing the PERMANIA Lash Lift Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful lashes and brows. Achieve a stunning transformation in just 15 minutes. This kit offers a quick and easy lamination process for both your eyelashes and eyebrows. Get salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Enjoy a natural black result that enhances your features beautifully. It provides a deep, rich color that looks effortlessly chic. As a professional lash enhancer, it primes your lashes for a lifted and voluminous look. It's designed for optimal results and easy application. Achieve stunning, long-lasting results with this effective formula. Elevate your look with perfectly lifted and colored lashes and brows. What we like? Get a quick lash and brow lamination with natural black results in just 15 minutes. This kit provides effective lash enhancers and primers for a noticeable lift. If you are short on time but want dramatic lash and brow enhancement, this speedy solution is perfect for achieving a polished look effortlessly. What people say. The directions are simple and easy to follow, works well every time, and it's very quick. This one never fails and it works well on all types of lashes. This was so easy. I was able to do both sides at the same time. Everything is pre-portioned for use. It comes with so much more than you'd expect. Number 1. Lash Lift and Black Kit. Achieve instantly fuller and more voluminous lashes with our revolutionary kit. Get the dramatic look you've always desired, effortlessly. Transform your brows with our easy-to-use lamination solution. Define and shape them for a polished, sculpted appearance that lasts. Experience a fast and quick lifting process that delivers stunning results in no time. Say goodbye to lengthy salon appointments. Add intense black color for a voluminous effect that enhances your natural beauty. It's the perfect way to make your eyes pop. Enjoy professional, salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home. Achieve a flawless lash lift and brow lamination every time. What we like? This kit provides an instant fuller lash lift and voluminous coloring for a dramatic look. It offers fast lifting and coloring for salon-quality results at home. If you are seeking immediate and impactful lash enhancement for a glamorous appearance, this kit will deliver the voluminous and lifted lashes you desire. What people say. The process is a little time-consuming, but it works really well. The color looks great. The effect lasts for 2 months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.